I don't get it. If for some reason you're not familiar with coconut milk as a milk substitute, I'd like to welcome you to the 2000s. I don't know why I said that with like a weird accent. I'd like to welcome you to the 21st century. I love coconut milk because it provides a thicker, creamier milk substitute compared to soy or almond. It's also great for Thai iced teas and lattes. But today, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious lemon coconut cake. And we're also gonna make a quick, tasty strawberry coconut smoothie. But first, cake. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grab a large bowl. We're gonna add yellow cake mix, eggs, and McCormick lemon extract. Now we're gonna go outside and find the nearest coconut tree and start climbing, all right? So once you get to the top of that tree, you're gonna, just kidding, what are you doing? Go, stay inside, watch the video. We're gonna use 1 can of Thai Kitchen coconut milk. Make sure you shake it up, and we're gonna mix it on low first, just to get it combined. The coconut milk addition gives it that sweet, homemade, straight from your mama's kitchen taste. Let's kick it into medium for about 3 or 4 minutes to incorporate all the elements. Yeah. Once everything is mixed up, we're gonna pour it into a greased and floured bundt pan. If you've gotten this far, your grandma should be proud of you. Yeah, I think I got it all. So we're gonna pop this bad boy in the oven for about 35 minutes. We'll get it out of the oven and we'll get a wire rack. You can test it by sticking your toothpick in the center of the cake, and if it comes out clean, it's all done. So I'm gonna let this cool for a few more minutes, and in the meantime, I'm gonna distract you. So we're gonna grab a blender, add some ice. I'm gonna toss in some fresh strawberries that you've also picked from your lovely garden out back, and we're gonna add some Thai Kitchen coconut milk. And you wanna cover the ice. That's when you know you've got a good amount. A little light agave nectar. That's what's gonna give it that sweet, sweet taste. We got a little bit of McCormick vanilla extract. Just throw a dash in there. And there you go. Blend that up on high. I'm not wearing a watch. The cool thing about this smoothie is that it's tasty, but also it's just easy to make in the morning. Oh, that's my mom's old blender. We're gonna have a talk later. That's quite good. So after 10 minutes, I flipped the cake onto the wire rack, and now it's totally cooled. And now we're ready for our lemon glaze that I've already prepared. We're just gonna drizzle it directly onto the cake. This might not be safe for work, guys. You might have to turn this off. Look at that.
Ooh, that's delicious.
And use it all. If you don't, I will come to your house and eat the rest of your glaze. Take a sprinkle of some toasted coconut, throw it right on top for a little extra garnish. Because guess what? You fancy like that. And there you have it, a taste of summer all year round. Click the link below and subscribe to get these and other awesome coconut milk recipes. I've got things to do.